Let's start our class. So today, I'm introducing some informal and formal words. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm advising you always to improve your vocabulary. I'm telling you to read books, telling you to listen something. You must think like writing down the words is enough. Just knowing the words it's enough. No, that doesn't going to improve yourself. You need to implement it by using some sentence. For example, apologize is there. Like I know that word, but I don't know where I have to use that. Right? So we need to do practice in that. So whenever you're reading some word, whenever you're learning some word, try to make some sentence with that. So whenever you make that sentence, whenever you make in a multiple sentence, it is going to be saved in your brain. There are thing is called ambiguity. Ambiguity, multiple answers. Whenever we give some input to the system, there should be only yes or no. This computer only work with yes or no. But ambiguity, that doesn't work with the system. Our brain is like ambiguity because it have different kind of answers. Like if I'm asking, I'm giving you two options, that is chapati or the another one is rice. I'm asking you what is your favorite food, but you have your favorite food, that is not chapati, that is not rice, that is something else. But that answer is not going to be inside in the computer. Like that, why I'm giving this example for ambiguity. Ambiguity is a new word you are learning from me. Ambiguous you can say, or ambiguity you can say. Ambiguity is a bunch of so many answers, bunch of so many same answers. Okay, fine, we'll go for today. There are some informal words, there are some formal words where you have to use whenever you're representing yourself or you're showing yourself with your parents or with your friends, with your colleagues. You can use it informal. If it is professional, it's a professional in the sense it is a place where you need to show yourself in a good manner. Maybe a professor, maybe in a job interview, because in a job interview you're going to speak continuously in English. They expect that you continuously speak in a fluent manner. So in that case you can use a formal. So in starting manner, if you don't know how to use the formal one, because you are not going to meet the formal situation always, that is occasional, maybe you can use this informal daily to day life. So whenever we talk with the friends, we can use a formal also, and some other time use the informal also. Okay, so the first word is say sorry. Instead of say sorry, you can say apologize. Say sorry in the sense I'm telling you to apologize. That means I'm saying you to say sorry. Okay, so instead of say sorry, you can say apologize. My apologize to you. That means I'm saying sorry to you. Please apologize me. Please forgive me. Okay, that is also apologize. Apologize means forgiving you. Stand for, represent. And stand, like I can stand for my family. I can represent my family. I'm standing for my class. I'm standing for my institution. You can say I'm representing my institution. I'm representing my family. Okay, you can use that. So leave out. Whenever we read something, right? Whenever we read in a school time, so we used to say leave the syllabus. Let's omit this syllabus. We use that word omit because we use that formal word sometimes. Omit this topic, omit this situation. So if you want to just vanish from one place, you can say I want to omit from this place. I want to omit myself. So you want to leave out yourself. That's it. So set up or establish. I want to set up my dreams. I want to set up my family in a good manner. So I can say I want to establish my family. I want to establish my thoughts. I can establish my family in a good manner. So establish in the sense whenever you're getting the meaning of setup, just use this establish. Even you can use this establish in a formal or informal. It give you elegant look. Whenever the person is seeing you, their gratitudeness towards you going to be increased. Okay, look at, examine, like look at your paper or examine your paper. Look at him, examine him. Okay, so like that we can use. Then is blow up, or explode. So what can I say? This class is going to be blow up. That means this class is going to be explode. Okay, so you can use a blow up also and explode also. Make up and fabricate. Fabricate is something is not real. Okay, which is not real one. You are making that. You are making something into something is fabrication. That is what we are easily saying makeup. Okay, fine. Next is put up. I'm going to put up myself there. I'm going to tolerate myself. I can say that tolerate is a very important term or essential one. We can use it. I can tolerate myself instead of being lazy. I can tolerate this kind of problems in my life. Whenever I can't tolerate, I will just sleep. So in two places, I can use the tolerate. Okay. Many places in my sentence I use. Seem. It seems like boring. You can say it appears like boring. It seems like boring or it appears like boring. So I'm teaching you these all the words for one day. It is impossible to remember all the stuff. I'm just giving you, just telling you these kind of words we can use instead of this. We can use this kind of words. Just try to remember. In our real course, I'll give a time. With this kind of good amount of words, you need to make some sentence. Okay, for the first time, you can write it down. You can make already cheat sheets. You can read that, but don't repeat it for more time. Okay, and make yourself free from this all the stuff. Release yourself from all the stuff. Free, it means release and go against. I want to go against of my family. I want to oppose my family. That is same meaning. It's about, it concerns. This concern is kind of professional term, you know. It is going to be a wonderful term whenever you use instead of insert, it's about to it concern. Like the people will think, oh, he's good or she's good. She knows something. When we will get good impression from people, we will get that positivity. So we can talk, you know, we can talk so boldly also. So why I'm saying this, whenever you guys giving a good amount of feedback on the first day, I felt so good. It concerns about my teaching. It's about my teaching, right? So I used that word now. Fine. So whenever we are using very in many places, like very capable, I'm very happy. This room is very clean. So we oftenly use that very, very, very in many places. So instead of very, we can use this accomplished, very clean instead of spotless and brilliant, parched, sweet, and immaculate. So I'm going to give a kind of explanation for parched one. Like very dry means parched. I know you guys must be science students. Like whenever in a lab or something, we that our tutor or somewhere used to say dry your specimen or dry your crystals or dry this. We used to say that use parch paper or parchment paper. That parched means dry. It is very dry. That means it is parched. You can say that. Okay, very neat, immaculate. You have to say immaculate. The place is immaculate. Okay, he is brilliant. I just want to be spotless. I want to be very clean, so I can say I just want to be spotless. The mission is accomplished. We know this one. Okay. So now the task is what, you know, 6 persons are there. Each one of them have to make one sentence with accomplished and spotless, brilliant, parched. Okay. You can choose one word, you can do that. Okay. Who is going to start? There are only a few persons are there. Biswajit. Oh, Biswajit came. Nice. Harish came. Ruku, Shafa, Shikhar.
In 2 minutes. I need 2 minutes. I am not.
What? What happened?
I will tell last. At last, I will tell. At last.
Why? You want
I
time?
am busy somewhere. Yeah, I am there
It's
in a
okay.
shop. I am just
Okay,
coming.
fine. We'll wait. So we will start with Safa. Yeah, Safa
Okay.
unmute herself. Good girl.
Swift.
So which one?
Swift.
Okay.
I want to ride my scooty swiftly.
Nice. That's good. Can you try that first one also?
Accomplished.
Yes. Everyone just make sentence in your brain. This is task. Task is not only for one person. Whenever I'm showing this, you need to make sentence in your mind.
Accomplished. Very difficult.
I'm waiting.
I am accomplished to teach anybody.
Accomplished to teach anybody. Nice. Wonderful. Okay. Can you try this spotless also? No, immaculate.
Immaculate.
Yeah. I need to push you hard. If I push you more, like you can really do your best. I feel like so.
I saw the Indore city was immaculate.
Wow, good. Nice, Safa. Okay, we'll go for another. Thank you. We go to next student. Now, Paresh. Hi, Paresh.
Yes, ma'am.
So start with the very clean. That's spotless.
Spotless. Your dress is spotless. It's look very beautiful.
Oh, no. I didn't understand. Say again.
Your dress looks spotless.
Okay.
It's very beautiful.
Okay. Brilliant.
My friend is a brilliant student.
Okay. These are all simple.
I also.
You also. Okay, yeah, you are brilliant. I can see that. Okay, parched.
Parched. My room is parched now.
Your room is parched now. Try now. Make some other sentence.
Parched.
I want the weather always be parched.
What?
I want the weather always be parched.
You want this weather always to be parched. Okay. Why you want to dry weather?
I like so much.
Okay. Where are you from? You're from Odisha, right? Yeah, because
Yes,
because of everyday raining, you wish to have that. Okay. I can understand that. Okay. Now we go to Shaker. Shaker.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start with accomplished. Start.
I am accomplished to do this work.
Nah, other one. Because it's Safa used it already. I want some other thing. Some other sentence. Okay, for I'll show you another one. Wait. 1 minute. Yes. Now choose this. Very tasty, delicious. Are you there? Shekhar, you there, you win. You seriously unmuted yourself. You won. Please unmute yourself and talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Say that delicious.
My breakfast was delicious.
Okay, tiny.
This font is too tiny.
Safa, seriously, you're talking. I can't listen you.
I'm sorry.
Shekhar, try Shekhar. Just try this tiny. Come on. Okay. You want time, Shekhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Shekhar, you're here to explore yourself. You should try something. There are so many letters, so many sentences there. We can make it. Okay, I'll go with the Ruku then. Ruku, come on, Ruku. We are going to rock now. Start
Yes,
from
ma'am.
starting one. First one, delicious.
Ma'am, the lunch was so delicious.
Okay. Okay, something else, something else.
I want to eat some delicious food.
Okay, tiny.
This bottle is very teeny. Other than
Say again.
this bottle is very teeny.
Okay, teeny. You're saying it's teeny. Okay, it's tiny, fine. Exhausted. Give some big sentence. Like this much.
Very tired. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I am feel exhausted after doing this work.
I am feeling exhausted after doing this work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You're saying I am feel, right? It doesn't work. Then precious.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Yes. Money is a precious thing.
Money is precious things.
Yes.
Things or thing?
Think.
Okay, feeble.
Feeble. When a person feel very weak. Okay. I feel feeble.
No, something else.
Okay.
Or maybe same concept with in different manners. Try.
The old man is very feeble. The old man is feeble.
Again, you're using very, huh? Okay. And anxious. Anxious.
Very worried. This man is showing anxious to pick up his train.
Say again. Repeat once.
This man is showing anxious.
This man is showing anxious. Just to try this, this man is showing worried. Do you say like that?
Yes, ma'am. Very worried.
No. You said that this man is showing anxious to pick up his train.
Yes. No,
No, he is not willing to show this. It is not that he is showing. It is visible outside. You try something else. That sentence is not correct. That means it is not possible. It's kind of a hypothetical one.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, you're trying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try.
Mm. I feel anxious about my examination.
That's it. Good. So Ruku
Thank you,
did all the stuff. So happy. So today, I'm going to pick Safa also. I think Safa might have prepared all the things because I gave so much time. Safa, you're ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
I know you might have made some sentence for each word. So start with delicious.
Delicious. I used to eat delicious biryani.
You used to eat or used to eat?
Used to eat.
USED or only USE?
USED.
Oh, now you're not eating, huh? Now you're not eating biryani. Delicious biryani. So whenever you say used to means you doing. Yeah, you will do it also. Used to in the sense not now. You did in past. Okay.
Yes.
So you're not eating right now. Okay, fine then.
No,
So
I'm eating right now.
okay. Second one. Tiny.
This plant is so tiny.
Go for like a rapid fire. Just to
Exhausted. Whenever I go to my father's showroom, he looked so exhausted.
next.
My mother is like a precious gift from the God.
Precious. After that, what did they
Precious
say? Oh.
from the God.
Precious gift from the god or something. Okay. Next one. Feeble.
Feeble. Our society thinks that women be as feeble.
Okay. Last one. Anxious.
Anxious. She is looking anxious about her disease.
Okay. Okay. Good, Safa. You're doing well. And you should try something new. Okay. And use these words in your daily conversation. I'm telling you something. Guys, you don't get opportunity to speak. I know that. While you're being alone, right? Try to talk something, whatever is going in your mind. That must be something you must thinking, right? Just try to talk that in English. It works. It seriously works. Okay, fine. So last task is like yesterday I not able to do, and today also I think the time is going, but still, is anybody
I have
ready
not
to
met.
give? Who? Viswajit.
I had not met. I'm just come.
Okay, Viswajit. Viswajit, can you make 1 minute
uh,
speech? Can you make? Can you give to me?
Okay.
Yeah, choose the topic. Fast.
The best day of your life.
Okay. I'm going to say start. You have to say, okay? Only 1 minute time. Start.
The best day of my life was when I entered Navodaya in 6th batch. I was nothing. I don't know about Navodaya before that. And when I entered there, I just the things there I learned there, it's very good. Very first day, the principal of our school came to us and just his speech. First time I was in a he called me to the stage, and first time I was in a stage. That is my best day, and I was able to say something, not in English. I just spoke in Odia that day, but it's the very best feeling of my. The day was very best for me.
Okay, good. The time is up. You finished it at time. Nice. So who is next? Only one person can give. Or else it's fine then. Today also we are losing. I know, I feel like this interacting session is so good than anything, because I am giving you a good amount of opportunity to speak with all, because there are 6 participants including me 7. That means you are able to talk. That means you're capable. You're very capable to talk with me. Talk with all in front of everyone. So it is really going to help you. So use this each one of the opportunity whenever I'm giving you. You are here not to be silent, to just speak out. Okay, because again you're not going to get this chance, because if you talk, nobody gonna help you to correct your mistake. Nobody going to tell you which is right or which is wrong. So please use this opportunity, and tomorrow try to come. Tomorrow is the last day. That is our full free demo class, and we are going to launch the real course. We will tell you all the information. So don't forget to come. Please try to attend. I hope you guys are enjoying my class, because it may be new to us, because I don't know who is Safa, Paresh, Shekhar, Ruku, Biswajit. We never met also. It is all the things are in online. Even though you guys are giving your time and coming here, maybe you can think why I'm doing this. It is not only money minded, because there is something which I can help my fellow people. That's it. Okay. So in
We are
that
enjoying.
okay. What are you saying?
We are enjoying a lot.
Okay, Safa, that's good. If you're enjoying, then I'm also happy. I want you guys also achieve in your life. Okay, we all are going to achieve together. So all the best. Don't don't forget to come tomorrow. If your friends, everybody whom you know, tell them to come. Tomorrow is the last one. Okay. Nice to meet you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye.